Okay guys, it's gonna do a short video on tablet mounts. This is the newest one I just got. I love it. Um, these are the ones I've had previously. They're all actually really good. This one I like the best. It's the most sturdy and it collapses into this. One second. So it collapses into something like this. Very compact. This is aluminum. I guess they have a plastic version now that's a lot lighter, but it's very compact to put into your bag. Also like this one for bigger tablets. Very adjustable. You can tighten these hinges up to make them as tight as you want. They come with tools. You can even put your phone back here. You can flip this over. You can put both your phone back here as a holder and your tablet on here. I just find that putting these on the antenna right here, it wiggles a little bit. It's not as tight as I'd like it to be. So there's also these ones that hook right onto the antenna. So you got the two bars that go like this, and then you got the big black piece right here, right? So these bars, you basically put this in there, twist it, and this holds bigger 10-inch tablets, and this will hold your iPad. You put it in this way, turn it, pop it up, and pull it out towards the antenna. And it's very compact, very light. It's plastic, but once again, it seems like it puts a lot of strain on the antenna. So this is what I got. Let me take the tablet off. Okay. So this is the holder. It's nice because it has these things that pop out too. Hold on. All right. So these things pop out if you want to use your phone. And basically you would just pop these two out and then you'd flip it 180. And then you can use that to use your phone. It has a button here on the left hand side. Push that, it releases. Put your tablet inside, and it ratchets in. Why I like this one so much is because the arms are very, very sturdy, and it feels very solid because it's actually connected. Well, not connected, but it's clamped right to the controller itself. As you can see here, these two nubs right here, that connects right to the controller. There's no gaps, there's no leeways. You have all the proper holes still. You can still see your lights, do your switches. And that's the reason why I like this tablet. You could turn it this way, right? You could back it up this way if you want. Turn it whichever way you want. But this thing it's a solid because it's, like I said, it's attached right to the controller. And you don't have this thing swaying up and down when it's fully extended. The only reason why I have this on there too is because it's the printed plastic for the parabolic range extenders here, the parabolic reflector, and that clamps on from the front, this little piece, and it clips with this and holds this in place. And those are my 5.8 gigahertz Yagi antenna. So that's my preferred tablet holder. It's sucker solid. Also, I have the extended sticks, which I like for better precision for yawing. This is a lot higher than this stick, and when I'm going like this, it is very precise. So I can actually keep it in sport mode and not have to adjust any of the settings. I know you can go through the stick settings, the gimbal settings, and adjust it there, but I just got these. I like them. They're nice. Anyway, that's the setup.